Hey everyone, and welcome back. If you're looking to keep your emails secure and boost your sender reputation, today's tutorial is just for you. I'm going to guide you through the process of adding an SPF record to your Wix website, step by step. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to protect your domain from email spoofing, improve deliverability, and take control of your website's DNS settings, even if you're not a tech whiz. Let's jump right in. First things first, you'll want to head over to your Wix dashboard. This is where you manage everything related to your website. If you're not already logged in, just open wix.com and sign in. You'll see your dashboard front and center. It's basically your website's mission control. Next, in the top corner, look for your profile icon. It's usually a small picture or a generic avatar if you haven't uploaded a photo. At first glance, this might look like only a place to update your name or email, but it's also the gateway to more advanced settings about your account and your domains. Click on your profile icon, and then find Account Settings. This section is where Wix stores all the nitty-gritty details. Think of it like the settings menu on your phone, but for your website. Once you're there, select the Domain option. Domains are just the addresses people type to visit your site, kind of like your website's street address. Now, you're going to click on Connect a domain you already own. This is for those of us who've registered our domains somewhere else, or just want more control over our DNS records, just like adding that SPF record. At this point, Wix will encourage you to upgrade to a premium plan. You'll probably see a big upgrade message or button. It's tempting, but if you're not ready for that commitment, don't worry. Instead, look for a link or button that says Read More. It might be a little smaller or off to the side, so take your time. Clicking this gives you access to a helpful guide detailing exactly how to connect your domain without immediately spending extra. Inside this guide is your key to getting SPF records set up. You're not editing records just yet, but you're gathering intel on how Wix organizes domain management. As you scroll, you might feel a bit overwhelmed. Don't stress. I promise it gets easier from here. Now here's a smart shortcut. Look to the right, and you should see a prompt to ask the Wix AI assistant anything related to domains. This is where the magic happens. Simply type, "How to add a SPF record to Wix." You'll get instructions provided super fast, tailored to the specifics of your account and domain setup. The AI may show you exactly which panel to access, what settings to change, and how to copy in your SPF record, so you don't need to guess your way through DNS management. Remember, SPF records help prevent spammers from faking emails from your domain, like showing your return address on their junk mail. Think of it as installing a security camera for your digital mailbox. The AI streamlines this process, making sure you don't miss anything important or accidentally lock yourself out of email sending. Once you've followed the instructions the AI provides, you're essentially done. It's just a matter of confirming the change on Wix, and sometimes waiting a few minutes for everything to update. Don't worry if the change doesn't show up instantly. That's perfectly normal with DNS records. And that's it. You've officially given your domain an extra layer of protection. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button, share your questions or experiences in the comments below, and subscribe for more practical website tips just like this. See you next time.